Hi, I'm Chef Neil. I'm VitaFlow's Keto Chef. I'm going to show you how to make some feta and courgette croquettes. Preheat the fat fryer to 180. Take the courgette and grate. Place into a colander. Mix in the salt and leave for 10 minutes. You will see the salt will draw the water out of the courgette. Take half an MKD roll, place into the blender, blend until breadcrumbs are formed. Squeeze tightly till all excess water is removed. Add breadcrumbs, coriander, mint, garlic and feta cheese. Mix all the ingredients together. Separate into 2 equal portions and then shape into croquettes or balls. Cook in the fryer for 2 minutes until golden brown. Shake off the excess oil and now they're ready to serve.